Today I will show you how to merge Excel data to Word document but keep it linked to original data. I got two files, one an Excel file and one Word file. I will have to copy data from Excel table to MS Word. Copy the table and go to Word file. Click Paste Options and choose Link Paste option. Now the table from Excel has been copied in MS Word, but it's linked back to original data. Let's check it out. The value in first cell is $150. Let's change this value in Excel. Now let's see an MS Word document. The value is updated to $50. Similarly, check the next value. And it's updated as well. You can also open Excel sheet inside Word document. Click Insert. Click Object. Choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet. And OK. It will open an Excel sheet where you can put data, operate commands, and create tables. Click anywhere in MS Word document to exit Excel sheet and you get back to Word interface. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.